Hello and welcome to the Logic Pro X tutorials with me, Ashley Standland. Today we're going to be looking at how to use reverse reverb. Okay, so this is just a little few bars of piano I've just recorded just here. So we're going to jump straight in. We're going to go bounce in place. And I go new track. You're going to leave at source and make sure these bottom three are ticked. Make sure bypass effects plugins is not ticked. We're going to go OK. And that's going to bounce the track down. Let's just have a listen to it. So that's all it was, and it's exactly the same up there as well. With this new one, double click on File, Functions, Reverse. And now we've reversed this audio. Let's have a listen to what this sounds like now. So this is a reasonably cool effect in itself. We're going to take it even further. Go to your mixer. And we're going to add some reverb onto this track. I'm going to put quite a long reverb on it. Let's go large space. I don't know, Hall. Let's go for Abbey. And then I want it quite wet, so heavily drenched in reverb. Let's have a listen to that now. Yeah, so we've got a nice lot of reverb on that. Next thing I want to do is bounce it in place again. So bounce in place. Now this is important this time to leave audio tails in the file. This is more important this time to leave all these three ticked. And definitely do not have bypass effects plugins. If you click that, it will not bounce in place with the reverb on, and that's what we want to create the reverse reverb. So go ahead and press click. Okay, so now we've got this track. So this middle track that we bounced down first, we don't need anymore. We can just go ahead and get rid of that. And this is the important one. So let's have a listen to this. So it's reversed and it's got all the reverb on it. What we want to do to use it with the original track is double click it again, go to File, Functions, and reverse it. So we're going back to its original format, back to the way it should sound. But the reverb is going to be backwards, so reverse reverb. Now what we can do here is if we find the point in which the first note plays, which is around there, so it's going to be that peak. Let's have a look. So if I quickly cut it here, split by playhead, and we'll just get rid of this bit. And then if we pull it to the beginning of this track, this is our original audio. Zoom in a bit further. And there we go. So it's used as like an intro, or it coming in after a breakdown in a song. You can use reverse reverb for. It works on drums. Yeah, anything. You know, be creative. What I'm going to say is use the fade tool. So you want to click up here where your pointer tool is. Go down to fade, and just fade the very end of this, because there was a slight click there. So if we go back again, and let's have a listen to the whole thing. And that's it. So it's a really cool effect that you can play around with in your mixes, in your songs, in your composing, your creating. Obviously, play around with it a bit better than I have and be a bit more creative than I just have there. This is just a demo to show you exactly how to do it. But that's it. That's reverse reverb. Thanks for watching, guys.
To help us bring you more content, please support us by subscribing to our channel.